everyone, I'm Ty. Welcome back to another shop vlog. So I wanted to show you guys my shears. Some of you may not know, but I have a shear company by my Instagram name, Her Strands of Hair. So I just wanted to show you the shears. So this is the case. I feel like I never really talked about them.
You're right. Okay, because
so this pair is the multicolored.
If Lance finds out what went down, you better use your feet and run.
That's cute. First off, you need to
they are Chinese steel. They're really good shears. I believe they're 6 inches and they're for right hands. Currently, I don't have any left-handed shears yet. I'm in the process of getting some made. The issue that I'm running into is that the left-handed shears, they don't come as cute as these. The left-handed shears would have to be kind of just plain, similar to these. Let me just show you. So for whatever reason, my manufacturer, they can't do the left hand in this style. So if I were to do left hand, they would be pretty much plain. So I'm not sure if people would like that or not, or, would be okay with it. But one other thing I just wanted to show with these shears, that this knob right here, it twists. So you can make it tighter or you can make it looser, and the purpose of that is for the tension of how you want your shears to flow. Sometimes people like it really loose, where it's just and then some people like it kind of tight. It's a little stiffer. So that's what this knob is here for. It's for style and it's for a purpose. So I feel like I never really talked about that with the shears. So that's the multicolor. The case is nice and durable. This is the gold pair, which is my favorite. These are my favorite. I'm just a gold mommy. I like gold. I'll just up closer.
And just say that, man.
They're pretty cool. And the same thing with this is the tension knob. It loosens or tightens the shear depending on what's comfortable for you. So yeah, these are the gold pair, and then I have purple. This is the purple pair. Amethyst. That's the name. And the same thing with this knob. You can twist it tighter or looser depending on how you like your attention. And again, these is only for right hand. Right now, I will be coming out with left-handed ones. However, I'm trying to find some really nice, stylish left-handed ones. All the left-handed ones that my manufacturer has showed me are kind of just plain. And I know people do like plain. I like, having the option, but they would just be something like this. And these are, and the steel is Chinese steel. For these ones, the steel is Chinese. That is the type of metal. These are Japanese. So the Japanese steel is a little more sharper, but the Chinese steel is just as good. Let me see. I currently have shears in stock, but I don't have every color right now. I just have a few colors. I want to show you my other shears. I have so many shears. I also have plain. Oh, these are the green ones. I have green too, but they're sold out right now. But I do have have like the green style. I've had my shears for a really long time. I haven't had, I get them sharpened maybe like every, I'm gonna say like 2 to 3 years, 2.5 years. They don't need to be sharpened that often, which is, they're really good quality. The person that sharpens my shears, he comes around to the salons in the area, and I'm in Philadelphia, West Philly, and he actually told me that the shears, whoever made them, it's really top quality. So these are the green ones. They're not in stock right now, but I also have them in green. So the same thing with the knob tightens, loosens to the tension that you personally like. So yeah. So currently I just have the purple,
and I would say, yeah, because I called them and they told me,
gold,
but I was like, I ain't saying nothing. The information he had, so I wasn't giving him no more information.
the rainbow.
And he was like, yeah,
These are the current ones that I have in stock right now on my website, herstrandsofhair.com. So be sure to go check them out and get you a pair. You'll love them. You won't be disappointed. And let me know what you think. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.